Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request. To know how to fix Instagram sorry there was a problem with your request, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click like this. After that, in this page, as you see here, we will go to apps and we will click as you see. And after that, in this list we will go to go down to Instagram like this here, and then in this page we will go to this place here, first stop, and we will click here. And after that we will go to storage and we will click, and after that we will click here clear cache, and then we will click clear data. After that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.